Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever started a travel just to realize that you forgot your cable to charge your devices? In our fast-paced digital world, staying connected is a necessity, or staying in touch with loved ones, or handling work tasks. And what if you did carry the cable and the power bank, but left the adapter behind to charge power bank? Fear not, because that's where today's product VRURC 10000mAh power banks comes in. No need to carry any cables. No need to worry about a charging adapter for your power bank. I have been using this product for over 6 months and I think it's the perfect, ideal companion for any traveler. To demonstrate its effectiveness, I'll be showcasing its top 6 features. So let's dive right in. Feature number 1 is simultaneous charging. This compact powerhouse can charge up to 4 devices at once. Universally compatible with almost all mobile phones, tablets, earbuds. It's perfect for sharing with your family and friends at home, at parties, or even while traveling. Let's connect the first device. This is Android phone. And see, start charging. Second one, I'm connecting an iPhone 12. At this point, you can see all these devices are simultaneously charging, which is the beauty of it. 4 devices you can charge at the same time while you're traveling. This is where this device truly shines. There is just no need to carry extra cables with you, right? This power bank comes equipped with 3 built-in charging cables. One for iPhone, second for USB-C cable, and third for micro USB port. Once you're done charging, just disconnect all the cables, put them in the right place, tuck them nicely, and voila! I said no cables. You may be wondering, don't we need a cable to charge this power bank itself? And yeah, and generally you do need to have a cable to charge them. But here is another exciting feature here. This even includes an AC plug for wall charging at 12 watt. Which typically is gonna take about 5 hours. You no longer have to lug around extra cords to charge your power bank. If you're looking for even faster recharge of your power bank, then you can use the Type-C input port with a 9 volt 2 amp adapter, which can charge at 18 watt compared to the 12 watt, which you get from the wall charger. With 18 watt power, you can replenish the power bank in just 3 hours. Remember, if you do charge it through the wall AC outlet, directly plug it in, it's charging at 12 watt, not 18 watt, which you get with USB-C cable. But that's like carrying extra cable. Do you really care? This is 10,000 mAh power, which is pretty much sufficient to charge your iPhones at least a couple of times, or your watch or your earbuds at least once or twice without worrying about it. Next, you will see on this product link that this charger can boost your phone from 0 to 60 in about 30 minutes. I have tested it with my iPhone almost close to 1%, and it did reach to almost 50+% in 30 minutes. So pretty much claim is true, and you can see it's charging your iPhone with a fast charge method. Let me show you how charging works, right? So by default, USB-C can charge up to 22.5 watt. And one of the best feature for this device is that it tells you when it's actually doing the fast charge versus not. So let's plug it in and let me show you how it works. Now you can see the charging is started. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pick this device and we'll give it a few minutes to see how the charging is progressing. Right now the phone is almost less than 32. Phone is about 32% charged. It should be charging at its max power. And pretty soon you can see here it's charging at about 17 watt of power. So almost 17 watt of power, which is what this phone is capable of. We are seeing the green light here, which confirms that it's the fast charging, which is expected. One noticeable change about this is that I'm going to disconnect it and connect the other device, iPhone. Let's see if our green bar shows up, which will confirm that it's doing the fast charging. And voila, Right now you can see phone is charging and the green bar is there. I'm connecting this USB tester to this and we should see that immediately it recognized there's another device connected and it move away from fast charging. So let's connect this device back to this phone which was charging at about 17 watt before, and we can see how power charging is impacted now. Now since you have connected two devices, at this point almost 10 watt is going probably to both the devices. So you can see it's charging with almost 9.7 watt. Earlier it was charging the other way around. Now let me remove it, the power, and you can see it's reevaluating the power needs. It's negotiating again, and I'm guessing you can see the green light turn on. Now we can see it's charging again back with 16 watt. Quickly, we can see all three devices are charging at this point. This one has USB-C lightning cable plus micro USB. Now you may be wondering that what if I want to charge my Apple Watch? That's a unique charger, so in that case you will need a USB cable which you will plug it into the USB port here, into this USB port, and that way you can charge that fourth device. So at this point all four devices are charging without any problem. I want to remind it again, this is probably the only charger I'm aware of, and I have 10 plus chargers. You can see one of the old video where I went through all of them. This is the only one which signals whether it's fast charging or not, and that's very, very important. We disconnect the cable, we connect it back. As long as it knows there is only one device is connected and that device is PD compliance or QC compliance, it will work. This device claims that it supports PD 3.0 for Lightning Apple devices as well as QC 4.0 protocol. And we can see that when we connected the iPhone and Android phone, it does enable fast charging. It doesn't support PD protocol charging for USB-C ports. So if you have an iPad Pro, which can charge up to 36 watt, you might be thinking that it is charged with, the full 22.5 watts, but that's not the case. What I found is it's charging with just 5 watt. So let's check it out. So here I have an iPad and I'm going to connect with this USB-C cable. There is no green light there. And if you look closely here, we can see that only 4 watt of charging is happening. It's basically charging with just 5 watt. Only a single device connected, which makes no sense. And let me show you how a typical charger will work. So I have this USB-C cable which is connected to a full 65 watt charger. And if I connect it here, it's charging with 33 watt of power. But this power bank does not support PD 3.0 charging on the USB-C side of things. Now I've tested multiple ways, it just doesn't work. Now as a last test, I want to charge the same iPad by using the normal USB port. So let's see how that works. I have this multi-charging cable which has 4 charging ports, 2 lightning ones, and with USB-C and that. So let's connect the USB-C here and see if that works. We can see that charging has started, 4.5 watt of charging. So there is no change, no matter how you want to charge iPad, which has USB-C port. So that's pretty slow, but I was on the plane, we were charging it and watching movie. We did not lose any charge. So it's about 12% and it stayed at 12%. So that was good. We were able to watch a movie for long. And yes, it was charging the iPad, just slow. Let's do one more test. This time we'll connect the USB port and to a device to the phone, and I'm gonna take my iPhone 14 here and I connect it. You can see how fast it's charging by using the normal USB port. It's not doing fast charging, but it's still charging at about almost 9.5 watt using the normal USB port, and that's the key. After testing all that, I would say that this device is designed to be compatible with wide range of devices. iPhones, Android phones, normally any tablet using USB, USB-C or micro USB protocol can be charged just fine. Next feature I want to talk about is about safety. This battery pack features 4.5 volt charging, 5 volt, 9 volt and 12 volt modes. So it has the latest 2022 model of a smart chip, which identify automatically your device type when connected to USB-C or Lightning with PD port, and then switches its modes accordingly. On top of that, this power bank also safeguards your devices from any kind of overcharging, overcurrent, over voltage, or even overheating. It's kind of have your personal bodyguard for your devices. Also, one of the important features is that you can charge the power bank and your phone simultaneously. So I connected the power bank to the charger, and now we are connecting it to the phone, and you can see at this point it's charging only at 8 watt. Even though it can simultaneously charge, it's not going to do the fast charge as we have seen when only power bank is connected. So keep that in the mind, that whenever you're charging into the device, you can connect multiple devices. They all are charging, but they are most probably not getting charged at the same time. Also, this power bank offers a trickle charging mode for low current devices, which can be activated by long press on the power button for 2 seconds. Let me show you that. You connect the device. If you press it for 2 seconds, now the LED indicator lights up every 5 seconds, means enter into the trickle charge mode. You can press again, long press 2 seconds to exit from that mode. What will happen is that once it's done charging with full speed with the fast charging method, the green bar, it will trickle charge after the device is fully charged. Press again for 2 seconds, take it out of the trickle charge mode. Now the sixth feature is this is compact and portable, and I would say stylish as well. Very nicely tucked in lightning cable. Down there you have the micro USB cable, an AC outlet connector, USB-C cable, as well as this is for input charging this power bank USB-C. So pretty simple device. Traveling, this is perfectly okay to keep it in the carry-on. The matte exterior of sleek gray color is pretty good. I like the square LED display, very simple to understand, though I would prefer the exact numbers when possible. That's the latest technology in that sense. So before we move on, let's talk about some of the limitations of this device. The challenge is iPad is getting charged only at 5 watt, which is super slow. Though don't expect it to charge your USB-C laptops. I mean, they typically don't work with 9 volt or 12 volt of charging, so it won't work in this case. And that's it, folks. If you're interested in getting one, I have included an unaffiliated link in description below. There is no sponsorship involved in this review. I purchased this power bank with my own money. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe. If you have any questions about this power bank, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay charged.